making pancakes. And all you gotta do is just mash the banana. Now, where's the masher? Where's the masher?
Use the fork.
Oh. Mash, 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 mash. Mash, mash, mash. Mash, 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 mash. I'm never recording this. This is my own vlog. I'm done mashing the banana. It's time to put the flour in. Flour first. The dust.
1 cup flour.
1 cup flour. 1 cup. Oh, 1 cup. Oh, yay.
Half teaspoon of. Same with the salt.
Same with the salt. Right.
Salt, half teaspoon. Whisk.
Whisk it. Whisk the mambo. Bake us whisk like this.
You like pancake?
Yeah. Whiskey whisk. Whiskey whisk. The side. Oh. I don't know how to break it. Ugh! Breaking it. Oh! Well, give me to try quick. I'm doing my whiskey bottle. It's liquid. I do that. Now I can put it.
Mix.
Mixy mix. Oh. Get out the way, sugar. Fast, fast, fast. 1 tablespoon sunflower boom. Mix, oh yeah.
What's that?
Buttermilk, of course. Whee. And then we mix again. Wow, that smells lovely. Give it a smell, guys. Give it a smell. Smells like, but now the vanilla extra. Oh no. Mash banana, and then we put it in.
Use the whisk.
Oh, use the whiskey mix. Oh, look, smell this now, guys.
Smells lovely.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, that. Some of the cream got onto my hand. Now mix. It's so hard to mix now. We need to get all the flour off of the side so we can make the pancake even more better. No mistakes. Because in every vlog I make, it's like this. Have you ever heard of song 2? You better watch it now, but not the ones that watched it already. Even download Sonic 3. Tell your dad to do it.
Why did you already download the Sonic 3?
No, my dad downloaded Sonic 2 and it was amazing. But not Sonic 1 apparently, because I saw it before. But I don't remember. But I watched Sonic 2 and Daddy said, "Do you remember it?" "Yes, Dad, but is it Sonic 1? And he said, "No." "Oh, it must be Sonic 2 then." It's done mixing. It's time to cook it. Now we brush the butter onto the pan. I think we need a little bit more. That sizzling makes me think it's gonna pour it on the pan. Oh, that was my best one yet. That was my best one yet. That's my best one yet, Mom. That was the best one yet.
Right. That's your scooter done, Kat. Looks new again.
Floppy.
Another one, please.
Let's try this Carnation caramel. Yummy, yummy, me. Let me go for the banana first. Try this recipe out. Super lovely. It's nice with a drizzle. Yeah.
Is it sweet or just right? Your recipe?
Sweet.
It's sweet with the banana?
Yep. It's just right.
Let me try, babe.
Okay, you can try.
I'll try a big one.
I'll try a big one too. I'll try a big one too, Mom. Mom, could you cut a big slice? Oh my. A big slice I wanted.
Nice, Cap.
Try this recipe out. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and the bell button. See you later.